Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you guys how you can create this Morph edit on CapCut. You will also need this other app called Cut 2. And then I'm just going to go back, and I just put a bunch of pictures to morph, and then press the export button to export the video. You're just going to go to Cut and go to Pro Speed Adjustment. And then I'm just going to select the video that I have exported and press Next. Press the checkmark button. And then I'm going to put it to 4x speed. Just around 4x speed. And then I'm just going to save it and export. And press save to album. Let's go back, and select the video that we just exported. Press next, press the checkmark button, and slow it down to 0.25x speed. And here is the final result. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!